Good morning, beta. Let's continue with exercise 10.5. First two questions we had already done. Last third question is pending. Let's start with it. You have given an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means two of its sides are equal. Right angle means it is making 90 degree. So for the rough figure, I have drawn this. Isosceles triangle means its two sides are equal. ACB is 90 degree and AC is your 6. An isosceles right angle triangle you have to construct, and for that you have given AC. Actually, ACB is 90, C is 90. So the side opposite to C is your hypotenuse. If and you know that hypotenuse is the longest side, so this cannot be 6 because AC is given as 6. If this side is 6, then the other side must be 6 because it is isosceles and two of its side must be equal. Got it? Now start with the base, then make 90 degree. Start with the base, 6 centimeter. Base is CB, that is 6 centimeter. Angle C is 90 degree. How you will draw 90 degree? From here, put semicircle. From this point, you will mark first arc 60, then 120, then make half of 60 and 120. That will give you 90 degree. That will give you 90 degree. This is your X.
मैम हमने ये वाली एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी थी, हमने 10.1 स्टार्ट करनी है। मैम
वेट बेटा एक मिनट। हाँ जी बोलो। यस
मैम हमने ये वाली एक्सरसाइज कर ली है, हमने 10.1 स्टार्ट करनी थी।
आई नो दैट बेटा, बट थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज पेंडिंग।
मैम वो भी कर लिया था।
ओके चलो अब कर लिए तो एक मिनट कंप्लीट ही कर लेते हैं।
ओके मैम।
मुझे भी लग रहा था कि हमने कर ली है। ये 6 है, इसको मैयर करो, यहां से आंख लगाओ 6 की एंड ज्वाइन दिस। it will be your A. So this is your right angle triangle and two sides are equal, so it is isosceles right angle triangle. Is it okay? Any doubt? Done. Let's start with 10.1 exercise. In exercise 10.1, you don't have to construct the triangle. You have to just simply construct the line which is parallel to the given line. Draw a line AB. Draw a line AB means you have to draw any line AB of your choice, of any line segment, of any length. So this is your AB. A, B. Okay, this is your AB. Take a point C outside the line. Take a point C outside the line. Now, there are two ways. One way is you can take point C here, that is exactly at a distance of perpendicular, or you can take it slantly also. It's your wish. So better to take it here to make a correct construction. So I've taken point C here. What you will do is you will join this point C to AB. You will join this point. Now you will make 90 degree here and 90 degree here, because we know that in case of the two parallel line, alternate angles are always equal. So if I draw 90, 90 here, their alternate angles are equal. That means if I draw a line here, that will must be parallel to line AB. Draw this, hurry up. Draw this first. As you can see that this line is perpendicular, so this angle must be 90. This angle must be 90. So you will, what you will do is, you will make 90 degree here. If perpendicular hai, this will already gives you 90 degree. Now here you will make 90 degree. What you will do? From this point, you will make 90 degree. You will draw a semicircle. From this point, you will mark 60. Then from this point, you will mark 120. Then you will make half. Okay. The same way that you were drawing, you were constructing 90 degree on the base, we have constructed 90 degree here. From this point C. Now you will join this. This will gives you a line, its name is CD, which is parallel to this AB. Both the angles are 90, 90. So this line must be parallel to AB, must be parallel to CD. Do it, hurry up.
मैम
यस बेटा,
मैम मैं आपको एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे?
आप मुझे बताओ मैंने क्या क्या किया, फिर मैं बताती हूँ। पहले मैंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले
मैं अपने लाइंस ड्रॉ की है मैम पैरेलल।
पहले ए बी लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली,
यस
उसके सामने सी पॉइंट ले लिया,
यस मैम।
ई से ए बी के ऊपर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली।
ओके मैम।
What you have done?
मैम लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी है मैम।
आपने सी से वो ए बी के ऊपर एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली है कि नहीं, परपेंडिकुलर वाली जो सीधी डाली हुई है, ये लाइन
मैम कर ली, मैम कर ली।
ओके, सी के ऊपर 90 डिग्री बनाना है। सी पे 90 कैसे बनाते हैं?
मैम पहले 60 और 120 की हेल्प से।
हाँ वो करो, पहले आप करो, स्टार्ट करो। पहले सी से सेमी सर्कल बनाओ, पुट कंपास ऑन सी, ड्रॉ सेमी सर्कल, देन फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट draw first arc that is 60, then second arc that is 120, then make half of 60 and 120, that will give you 90. पहले draw करो आप.
मैम हो गया।
Now join this. ये जो arcs आ रही है इसको C point के साथ join कर दो ऐसे.
ओके मैम। मैम डन। मैम डन।
Okay. आप चाहो तो यहाँ पर भी 90 बना सकते हो कंपास से, जैसे ये बनाया, but we know that this is a straight line, so it make 90 degree with the base, no need. Question number 2, draw a line L. Draw a line L, एक line L draw कर लो. Draw this line. Now the next is draw a perpendicular on L at any point on L. यहाँ पे एक point ले लो, यहाँ पे perpendicular बना लो. Perpendicular कैसे बनाते हैं? Make 90 degree. Make 90 degree. Then from this point 60, then 120, then 90. Join this, that will give you a perpendicular. Draw this. This point is your A. Now the next step is, on this perpendicular line, choose a point X which is 4 centimeter away from, L line. आपको यहाँ पे 4 centimeter के gap पे you have to take one point X. What you will do? Please open the compass of 4 centimeter. Open the compass of 4 centimeter. Four centimeter. Mark here. Open the compass of 4 centimeter. Now, next step is you have to draw the line parallel to this. In the same manner, you have to draw one line which is parallel to this line L. How you will draw the parallel line? You will make 90 degree. यहाँ 90 है. This angle is 90. You will make 90 degree here and you will join the line in the same manner as we have done in the previous question. So make 90 degree angle. Make 90 degree angle from here. Make 90 degree angle from this point. First arc 60, then 120, then you will make 90. And you will join this line in the same manner. This line is your C, D, and this point is your X. Any doubt? What do we call the set of negative numbers and whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and negative numbers -1, -2, and so on. What are they called?
Integers.
Yes. Next is, which of the following is the smallest positive integer? Smallest positive integer out of these. Smallest positive integer. Yes, Jasleen?
1.
Yes, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we will go for next is, where are the negative integers, numbers located on the horizontal line? On the right of 0, on the left of 0, above 0, below 0. On the
Left of 0.
left of 0. Yes, this is the answer. What is the opposite of earning rupees 100? Earning means you are having positive 100 rupees, but in the next you will, opposite of earning is spending. So D option is your answer. How is the withdrawal of rupees 200 represented? Withdraw is represented with negative integer and earning is represented with positive integer. Which of the following is true with respect to -28, -32? Which one is true out of these? Akshita, Hardik, Arpita, Anmol. Yes, beta. -28 is greater than -32. So this one will be true. Next, where do you place the positive integer? On a vertical number with respect to 0. If the vertical line is there, if you draw the line in the vertical manner like this, horizontal में आप हॉरिजॉन्टल में आप ऐसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हो, वर्टिकल में आप इस तरह से कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हो. What? So on the vertical line, on the upper side, above side, you have positive number, and on the bottom, and in the bottom means in the downward direction, you have negative numbers. What is the representation of 30 kilometer towards west?
मैम 30 किलोमीटर ईस्ट.
I said how you will represent this. I haven't asked about the opposite.
मैम 30 किलोमीटर.
No.
-30.
Yes, towards the east you have positive, towards the west you have negative. So this one will be the answer. What is the nature of the product of negative integer by itself? Means negative number को negative से multiply करोगे odd number of times. Odd means, yes Guneet?
Negative answer.
अगर odd number of times multiply करते हैं, then the answer will be
Negative.
negative. If you are multiplying it even number of time, then the answer will be positive. Even number of time, then the answer will be positive. Calculate this. When you multiply any number, if you multiply 2, 3, 5, 6 with 0, answer will be always 0. If the dividend and the divisor have like sign, means जिस number को आप दूसरे से divide कर रहे हो, both are negative, then what will be the sign of the question? Yes, Drishti?
Ma'am, negative.
Negative divided by negative is beta. Positive को positive से divide करो, negative को negative से, answer will be always positive. If the dividend and divisor have unlike sign, unlike means opposite sign, then the answer will be always negative. What is the additive identity for the integers? Additive identity, yes.
Zero.
Yes. Additive identity is 0. Multiplicative identity is, yes, Herman?
-1.
Yes, it's -1. What is the value of this? You please all solve this and tell me the solution. Tell me the answer of this. Firstly, you will divide this according to BODMAS. Bracket is not there, of is not there, then you will divide, then you will multiply, then you will add, then you will subtract. So please follow the correct order. Divide, multiply, add, then subtract. Answer is, tell me the answer. First answer is correct, 552. What is the order of the bracket? How many brackets we have? We have 3 brackets. We have 3 types of bracket: small bracket, square bracket, curly bracket. Can you tell me the order? Which is the correct order? Small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. This is the correct order. Few years back, this question was there in the exam. How many types of bracket are there? Tell the name. If a negative sign precedes a bracket, what happens to the term inside? If there is negative sign before the number inside the bracket, that the signs are changed, then the terms are reciprocate. Reciprocate means reciprocal हो जाएगा. Sign remain same या double. Sign change. Sign will change. If the positive sign is there in front of the bracket, then no sign change. Solve this. Firstly, you will solve off. Off means multiply. Then you will solve bracket. Do it. Hurry up. Tell me the answer. Let's see who will give the answer first. Answer of this, have you done? What is the sign of the product of 2 integers with like sign? If you multiply positive integer with positive, answer will be positive. If you multiply 2 negative integer, then the answer will be again positive. With different sign, answer will be negative. These 2 questions we have done earlier also. Commutative property holds for addition and multiplication. Doesn't hold for subtraction and division. This we have already done when we were doing the chapter. Distributive property. Distributive property we have for the 2 things. Distributive property of multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So we have for addition and subtraction. Okay.